Welcome back to JR's Railway, also known as the Drift and River Railway. We're going to work on the engine today so we can get it moving back and forth a bit and lay a few more sections of track. Thanks for tuning in. Please disregard the current condition of the track and the ties. Once spring comes around, we will be greatly improving the condition of the track. Since this is 24-inch gauge, we will be able to build and run 1/3 or 1/2 scale rolling stock. This track fixed up better once spring comes. For now, it's working. Well, that's the end of the track right there.
I don't like sitting in.
You hit hard.
So we got this old Wisconsin here that we currently have to pull start, but we'll make the best of what we got for now because the budget is tight. So we're gonna find a generator starter to get that, get that going a little bit easier and quicker. We'll use this locomotive, what's left of it for now. I'm gonna tear this off and make it look a little better, but for now it's doing the trick, and this will get made into more of a cargo hauler or a gondola or something that we can put tools and equipment in. Then up here I'm gonna build this into a rail hauler so we can haul these sections of rail down the track where we need them. As I mentioned earlier, this track needs a lot of work. We just wanted to get started, so we threw it down where it is and just having a little fun with it. We'll keep you guys updated. This span is too far, of course, I'm gonna try to have a tie every 2 feet. And over here, I'm gonna try to make an automated crossing where we go across the driveway. So that'll be a whole other video that I'll do. And we got to get Kelly back out here to help us work on this grade. So I picked up one of those Mosers a while back. That'll help us figure out our percentage of grade. Try not to exceed 2%. We'll do what we can. We'll be back at it next weekend. And hopefully make a plan, or at least dig a little more of this rail out of the snow. There's quite a bit of it buried here. Got about 1,000 feet of it, so we should be able to make a fair bit of headway once the snow is gone. That's it for now. Be back at you in not too long. Hope you're doing well. Signing out from the Drifting River Railway.